Start. In February 1992, there were reports that the construction of a wall had been commenced by the Uttar Pradesh government or its agencies in Ayodhya. Stop. I had written to the Chief Minister on 23rd February 1992 stating that in the context of the tension prevailing on this issue, it may not be quite desirable to add to the apprehensions in the mind of the people, and I had requested him to reconsider this step so as to avoid such a situation. Stop. According to the Chief Minister's reply dated 10th March 1992, the construction of the wall is being undertaken in the context of the security arrangements for the disputed structure. Stop. He has stated that the state government does not think that the construction of the wall will give rise to any apprehensions. On the contrary, it will strengthen the security of the disputed structure. Stop. As yet, no tension has come to light as a consequence of the construction of this wall. Stanza. Immediately after reports were received regarding demolition of certain structures in the Ram Janam Bhoomi Babri Masjid complex and the handing over of some land to the Ram Janam Bhoomi Nyas, the matter was immediately taken up with the state government. Stop. On 22nd March 1992, a wireless message was sent to the Chief Secretary UP asking for a factual report the same night. Stop. He was also contacted by officers of the Home Ministry on telephone the same night as well as the next morning, that is 23rd March 1992. Stop. The Chief Secretary provided some preliminary information on telephone and assured that a full factual report will follow. Stop. Another detailed message was again sent by the ministry asking for a comprehensive report. Stop. I also sent by fax a letter dated 23rd March 1992 to the Chief Minister. Stop. I drew the attention of the Chief Minister to the recent steps taken by the UP government in Ayodhya in the context of the court orders and the assurances given by him in the NIC meeting of 2nd November 1991 and requested him to kindly consider whether these steps should not await the final outcome of the court cases or the achievement of a negotiated settlement of the dispute. Stanza. I appeal to all the members that we must avoid emotional outbursts or statements which could further aggravate the problem. Stop. We must exhibit calm and restraint when discussing this matter so that an acceptable solution of the problem can be found. Over.